Thinking of switching to Linux, but worried about a lack of powerful software? What if I told you that some of the most advanced, free, and open source applications in the world are right here, waiting for you? Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful programs and tools for Linux that might just make you question why you ever used anything else. Starting our list at number 5 is Krita, a professional-grade digital painting and drawing program. Unlike general photo editors, Krita is built for artists with an intuitive interface and a massive brush engine. It's perfect for creating comics, illustrations, and even animations, all for free. This is a creative powerhouse that will feel right at home if you're coming from a Windows or Mac background. At number 4, we have a true game changer, SyncThing. This isn't a cloud service like Dropbox. It's a decentralized, peer-to-peer file synchronization tool that keeps your data on your machines and is encrypted in transit. You can sync folders between your desktop, laptop, and phone without any central server or subscription fee. It's file sharing on your terms. Coming in at number 3 is OBS Studio, the industry standard for live streaming and screen recording. It's a Linux native that lets you create complex scenes with multiple video and audio sources, add custom overlays, and stream to YouTube or Twitch with a single click. For content creators, educators, or anyone who needs to record their screen, OBS Studio is a non-negotiable powerhouse. Next up, at number 2, we have Kdenlive, a non-linear video editor that rivals commercial software. It's built for serious video production. You can use it to edit multitrack audio and video, add titles, create complex transitions, and render in a variety of high-quality formats. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking video without paying a cent, this is the tool for you. And the most powerful tool on our list, a true lifesaver for any Linux user, is TimeShift. While it may not be as flashy as the others, its power lies in its simplicity. TimeShift creates snapshots of your entire system, allowing you to roll back to a previous state if an update breaks something or you accidentally delete a critical file. It's the ultimate undo button for your entire operating system, and a tool every Linux user, especially new ones, should know about. So there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful programs that prove Linux isn't just a command-line wasteland. It's a vibrant, robust ecosystem with tools that can help you create, work, and thrive. What are your favorite Linux applications? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.